Hi there, and today I want to talk about something that very few people know about. We all know about energy. We all know that we're energetic beings. But did you know that inside you there are two powerful energies, yin and yang? They're constantly at play. जब दोनों energies balanced होती है, तब life एक beautiful symphony बन जाती है. But when there is imbalance, total chaos. Can you imagine this? You're working 12-hour days, no break, too much yang energy. Or maybe you're procrastinating endlessly because you're stuck in a loop of overthinking everything all the time. Too much yin energy. Does this sound familiar? You fit into one category, right? So in this video, we are going to uncover the secrets of yin and yang energies and why balancing them is so crucial for your life. How they impact your health, your success, your abundance, your relationships, your communication. Stay till the end for practical tips. And I'm going to give you a special invite at the end of this video that you definitely can't afford to miss. So let's dive right in. Atma Namaste. Welcome back to The Life Architect, and I'm going to be talking about a different aspect of energy that few people are aware of. Yin and Yang, जो female और male energies के रूप में जानी जाती है. But this has nothing to do with gender. Yin is a very nurturing, calming, creative energy like the quiet moonlight. Yang is the fiery, ambitious, go-getter energy like the blazing sun. दोनों एक दूसरों के बिना incomplete है. लेकिन जब imbalance होता है, that's when the trouble begins. And today I want to help you to work through this so that you understand why you do certain things the way you do them. So let's take the example of a river. Yin is the water. It's fluid, adaptive, and nourishing. Yang is the river bank. It gives structure and direction. अगर सिर्फ पानी हो और बैंक ना हो तो फ्लड हो जाएगा, और अगर सिर्फ बैंक हो और पानी ना हो तो एक लाइफलेस ड्राई लैंड बन जाएगा. इन लाइफ टू, जब सिर्फ यिन होगा, you'll get stuck in indecision and overthinking. जब सिर्फ yang होगा, you'll overwork yourself into burnout. So both energies need to coexist harmoniously. So let's dig deeper into what really are these energies and why do they matter so much in your life. What are yin and yang energies? I'm sure you must have heard of this, right? Life is about yin and yang. Very loosely people talk about yin and yang. But yin energy is all about stillness, creativity, intuition. ये energy हमें अपने अंदर की आवाज सुनने में मदद करती है. For example, when you're journaling, when you're meditating, or even enjoying a quiet cup of tea, that's your yin energy. You're in your yin. It helps you slow down, connect with your emotions, and find inner peace. Yang, on the other hand, is all about action, ambition. जब आप अपने goals के लिए strategy बनाते हो, blueprint बनाते हो, या किसी चीज को achieve करने के लिए मेहनत करते हो, that's your yang energy in full force. So think of yang as the energy that gets you out of bed in the morning and pushes you to chase your dreams. So, don't you think you need both? Let's take something that you can relate to. Let me give you a relatable example. Imagine that you're starting a new business. Your yin energy helps you to think creatively about your brand, connect with your purpose. Your yang energy, meanwhile, ensures that you take action, market your business, meet deadlines, do what it takes to actually bring your business into the 3D reality. ये दोनों energies complementary है, like a chef and a recipe. Yin gives the flavor, intuition, creativity, basically. And yang makes sure the meal gets cooked, execution. Now, if either one is missing, you won't get a dish. Nothing will turn out right. You might not even get a dish to eat. Okay, let's talk about imbalance and its impact on your life when these two energies are imbalanced. So what happens if yin energy is dominating your life? You may feel paralyzed by overthinking. You get stuck in self-doubt. You become very, very passive, so passive that you can't even take action. एक simple example लेते हैं. Have you ever spent hours planning something like a new workout routine, but you never started it? That's yin imbalance. You do all the planning in the world, but you're not able to come out of that planning. और अगर yang energy ज़्यादा हो जाए, You'll find yourself constantly on the go. No time to pause, no time to reflect, burning the candles from both ends. Think of the classic workaholic, pushing through exhaustion, skipping meals, ignoring mental and emotional health. This is a clear sign of yang imbalance. And over time, it leads to burnout, health issues like blood pressure, anxiety, and so many more things. एक और example, relationships. If you are too yin, you may avoid conflict. You don't want confrontation. You suppress your emotions. And too much yang, you may come across as very controlling or aggressive. In both cases, your relationship will suffer because it needs balance. ये imbalance का impact सिर्फ आपके मूड पर नहीं, बल्कि आपके relationships, career और health पर भी होता है. So that's why it's very essential to recognize the signs and take steps to restore the balance between your yin and your yang energies. So why is balance so crucial? Balance is always the key to a happy and successful life, to a happy and fulfilling life. जब yin और yang energies aligned होती है, आपका mind calm होता है और आपके actions focused हो जाते हैं. It's like a perfectly tuned guitar, ready to create beautiful harmony. Let's take an example of a successful day that you may have had. सुबह आप meditation से start करते हो, yin energy. Then you write down your tasks and you execute them efficiently, yang energy. शाम को जब आप वापस आते हो, you unwind with a hobby or spend time with your loved ones, yin energy again. आप देख रहे हो कि क्या हो रहा है? जब दोनों एनर्जीज बैलेंस में होती है, life flows effortlessly. This reminds me of what a famous leader once said, rest and action are partners, not opposites. Yin teaches us to rest and reflect, while yang drives us to act and achieve. अगर दोनों एक साथ work करें, you'll not only succeed, but you'll enjoy the journey stress-free. This balance doesn't make you just more productive. It makes you healthier, happier. And one of the favorite ways to do this is Kundalini Yoga. It combines movement, which is yang energy, and breath work, which is yin energy, to harmonize your energies. And my 2-day Kundalini Yoga workshop is designed to help you tap into this balance and transform your life. The landing page has so many testimonials of happy people, balanced people. How do you balance your yin and yang energies? So balancing these energies doesn't have to be complicated. It's really simple. So let me give you some practical tips that you can start using today, besides coming for my 2-day Kundalini Yoga workshop. So number 1 is boost the yin energy. Spend time in nature, meditate, practice gratitude. Take a 10-minute walk without your phone. Just you and your thoughts and your emotions. Number 2, activate yang energy. Set clear goals. Take decisive, inspired action. Try physical activities like going to the gym, workouts, martial arts. You can even start your day with one small action like making your bed. It sets the tone for productivity. Research has proven this. Number 3, integrate both. And Kundalini Yoga is the ultimate tool for this. It combines breathwork, kriyas, meditation, a chanting of mantras to balance the yin and yang energy simultaneously. Imagine feeling calm and motivated at the same time. Sounds powerful, right? Because it is. And my students can testify to this. You know, I have a lot of corporate women in my community, and they're always exhausted because their yang energy is overactive because they are forced to do so many things at one time. After practicing Kundalini Yoga for a few weeks, they always share with me that they are more balanced, creative, and they are less stressed. The mother in them tends to come out in a beautiful way. The leader in them tends to be harmonized in a most respectful way. So if you're ready to experience this for yourself, then it's my urge to you to join my 2-day Kundalini Yoga workshop. The link is in the description. We'll dive into techniques that balance your energies and help you to achieve peace, clarity, and purpose. Yin being the female energy and yang being the male energy in Kundalini Yoga. So, what can you take away from this video? Your yin and yang energies are secret to a balanced, happy and successful life. जब ये एनर्जीज अलाइंड होती है तभी आप अपने पोटेंशियल पर काम कर सकते हो. If you've been feeling stuck, overwhelmed, out of sync, if you're feeling off, this is your chance to reset. So try these tips that I've offered you and also come to my 2-day Kundalini Yoga workshop. It's only 51 rupees. I'm going to give you practical, transformative tips to change your life. The description has all the details. Let's start this powerful journey together. Remember, balance is the key to everything. So I'm going to see you at the Kundalini Yoga workshop and stay true to being you because you matter. Can I ask you for one favor? Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Life Architect if the content resonates with you. And please leave a comment on what you thought of today's topic and how do you balance your energies, because by doing this, we are helping a lot of other people. Atma Namaste.